Welcome back to Mysterious Tales X, where we uncover the deepest and strangest secrets of the universe. Just imagine a place that works completely opposite to a black hole, where things don't get sucked in, they get thrown out. A mysterious doorway that spits out everything that comes near it, as if the universe itself is exhaling. Friends, today we're exploring one of the strangest cosmic mysteries ever. White holes, the reverse of time, and black holes. You already know about black holes. Those cosmic monsters that swallow everything around them. Light, stars, even entire planets. Once something crosses their event horizon, it can never come back. But imagine this, if a black hole swallows everything, could there be a place that does the exact opposite and spits it all back out? That's the mystery of the white hole. It's a place for where matter, energy, and light come out, but nothing can go in. According to physics, a white hole is the time-reversed version of a black hole. If you were to reverse time, a black hole would turn into a white hole. When scientists studied Einstein's equations decades ago, they found that the math also allows the existence of white holes. So it's not just science fiction. It's a theoretical possibility. You can think of it this way. A black hole is like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, while a white hole is like a cosmic fountain. One swallows everything. The other spews everything out. Now here's the big question. Could every black hole be connected to a white hole? Many scientists believe that black holes and white holes might be linked through an invisible tunnel, what we call a wormhole. That means when something falls into a black hole, it might not be destroyed. It could reappear somewhere else in the universe, or even in another universe, through a white hole. Imagine a star or a beam of light disappearing into a black hole, and suddenly, billions of light years away, it bursts out from a white hole. Could this be a cosmic portal to other dimensions? But then, the biggest question, why haven't we ever seen a white hole? Scientists say white holes are extremely unstable. The energy inside them is so intense that they explode or vanish almost instantly after forming. Yet, some physicists have a bold theory. What if our entire universe was born from a gigantic white hole explosion? Think about it. A moment when infinite energy burst out, creating space, time, matter, and light. Isn't that exactly what we call the Big Bang? Hello, so maybe every black hole is connected to a white hole somewhere else. And every time something falls in, it re-emerges in another universe, starting something entirely new. If that's true, then the universe never really ends. It simply keeps rebirthing itself in an endless cosmic cycle. So next time you look at the stars, remember, while a black hole is devouring everything, somewhere out there, a white hole might be giving it all back. A perfect cosmic balance, where creation and destruction are part of the same eternal dance. Because in this universe, nothing is ever truly lost. It only changes form. If you enjoyed this cosmic mystery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mysterious Tales X, where we explore the wonders and secrets that blur the line between science and imagination.